Hey, Matt Ivey here with Atomos. This is the Sumo 19. We've talked about this before. I want to give you an update on where we are with the firmware. With this product, you may recall that this is a 19-inch monitor. It's a 1200 nit screen. A lot of the use goes on production sets from a field application standpoint, or even if you're in the edit room and you want to do some light grading, this is the product. So remember, it's a 4K monitor, and it records to a Atomos caddy, an Atomos drive. But the cool thing we're showing here is, what if you could take a 4K product and turn it into a 4-channel HD ISO recorder, and have switching. So in this view here, we have the 4 different HD inputs. These are coming from these small POV cameras that there are. They're all gen locked. So all in this compact area, we have a 4-camera shoot, and in this mode here, you get to see all 4 of the cameras. And the cool part is that while this is going on, we can switch. So now I'm switching between the different cameras, and the output of the Sumo we have going to a Shogun Inferno. So now we can look at that as our line recorder, and we can record on that. And so that also could be used as a streaming output or whatever you want. So in this small package here, very affordable, we got a lot of power going on. So while this switching is going on, I have that happening. I can also go in, and this is really the cool part, this is a 4-channel HD recorder. These are 1080 inputs. Right now I'm recording all 4 at the same time, and then I'll show you what happens from the playback side as they wind up being put into files that are instantly available and ready to record. And remember, the products are recorded, as far as the videos are recorded on a standard Atomos caddy. Let me just pull one up over here. That's a standard 2.5-inch type of drive. So we've been recording here for a little bit. At the same time, I was switching, and my output's going out to my streaming device. So if I stop the recording, I go back to my home screen here. What you'll see is I can go into playback, and then while I'm in playback, I want to point out something really important, and that is what it does with the files. So as we go here to our list, you'll see that all of the 4 of these files have been put into a nice little folder, and when I open up that folder, here's all 4 of the ISO recordings. They're HD. They're all in, they all have the same time code that's on them. They all have the same audio that comes from the analog input, and they have audio from each one of the cameras as well. So I can go in here, and as always, I can examine a clip and know that I had gotten that done. This is just a terrific amount of performance and versatility in such a small package. This is very popular for people to do 3-camera shoot, 2-camera shoot, all with just a minimum amount of equipment, and record your line output. So that's the Sumo 19 update. Those are available, and this firmware is coming on the products already, so it's free. And now we've just added all this versatility to an already great 4K HDR monitor. Here is an update on our latest, hottest selling product that we've had. Probably to date. This is probably a 10th generation Atomos recorder, player, monitor, and edit system all rolled into a nice little 5-inch package. You're probably familiar with Atomos because we make these outstanding recorder, monitor, player units, and they've been very popular for many years. This is a 7-inch one, just to give you a little reminder of the product. Remember, we record to standard caddy system, readily available. We have lots of partners. Those are standard 2.5-inch SATA drives. Everything to keep it affordable and get the high performance that Atomos products are known for. This latest product is just, I can't say it another word more than this is really awesome. They're selling really well. So probably you should get one when you can. What's great about it is it's a completely new mechanical design, which includes, it's got an HDMI input and output, headphone in and output jack. It has a mic line level input on a 3.5-inch, 3.5 millimeter input connection. I'll show you some more of the back of this because I've got another one sitting down here. It has an updated, super easy Atomos interface system you probably have come to know and love. In this package, since it's a smaller size, those things have been compactualized. Everything is still just a push away to get to the tools that we're known for: waveform monitor, vector scope, the focus peaking, guidelines. Everything is built into the product, and since it's a smaller size, we've been able to even put more technology into this. This is the latest processing platform that Atomos has done. So let me point out a couple other things for you on that. Here is the unit itself. It's all in an aluminum chassis. It's got a ⅛ mount on the top and on the bottom, but you'll see that this is a tap. And this can come out. These are the airy holes so that you can put this on certain rigs and that, and it won't twist around. But you can take this ⅛ nut out, and then it's a 3/8. So all these things are innovation that Atomos continues to do. From the back side, this is a newer mini SSD, the SSD mini as we call it, and the Atom X. This is the Sony type that goes in. So now we've made the caddy smaller, but it's all the same technology, and that just slots right in there. Then there's another thing that's very cool about this. This is a standard battery that have been used on the Atomos products for years now. If you can get a little shot of that, you'll notice that there is a connection that's inside here. This is another innovation in the Atomos evolution of these fine products, and that is that this is a module interface now. So the cool thing is Atomos has already announced a couple of modules that can slip in here to do more work. One of those modules, and I've got a physical prototype of those there, this is going to be an Atom X module that's for NDI. This is for the NDI interface. Very reasonably priced, and we're expecting in the late 2018 timeframe here that those would be shipping. This module then will go on the back, and another module that's available is a sync module. Now the sync module is very cool too. These products are going to be very, very popular, and already are, on the mirrorless cameras, DSLR type cameras, and all the full frame cameras that are coming out. This module here, which is called Sync, goes on the back, and it allows multiple Ninja 5s to be time code synchronized together, in the sense that each one of the recordings will be wirelessly enabled with this module to have the same time code on each one of the recordings. So if you're doing a multi-camera shoot with multiple of the mirrorless cameras and the Ninja 5, then they'll all have the same time code on the recording, which is a boon to being able to get your edits done faster from a multi-camera type of shoot. Also wirelessly is going to be a start-stop recording. So now with an app that's on your smartphone, you'll be able to press a button, and all of those Ninja 5s with the sync module will be able to start their recordings and stop them at the same time. And it's just another thing that Atomos continues to do to cut down on the amount of time and effort that you do to get really high quality ProRes recordings. Also does Avid DNX. Remember, that's what's recorded to the drives themselves. So we are as excited about this as we know all our customers are, and our resellers.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.